When you need to print your workbook, there's a lot of settings that you want to look at before you actually print it. Let's take a look at what some of those are.
Okay.
One of the problems is that when you look at the worksheet, that really does not give you any clue as to what it's going to look like when it actually prints. Where would you go to see that?
I usually go to the print preview for that.
Okay, how would you get there?
Let's go to File and Print.
You could also use the shortcut Control P, and that'll bring you right to this spot.
Good to know.
So as you look at that first page, you notice that it's only printing the first few columns. It's getting us through quarter 3, but there is more data. Look down at the very bottom of the page. How many pages do we have?
We have 7.
Let's just go ahead and click through those and take a quick look. So what is the problem here on page 2?
The headings are missing.
Right. Go ahead and go to page 3. Same problem. Page 4. Now we're seeing the rest of the columns from quarter 4 on, and we'll click through. Page 5, page 6, and then there's actually still a page 7.
Where did that come from?
So apparently there's a column of data that was separated from the other data set, several columns over, but that's going to print as well, so it ended up here.
Kathy, this is a mess. Help me fix this.
Where do you want to start?
Let's start with having the headings show on every page.
You have to have those. You'll notice there in that middle pane where all your settings are, down at the bottom there's a link to the page setup box. So go ahead and click on that. That opens our page setup dialog box, and we have a number of tabs. I want you to go to the Sheet tab. We can change almost everything in here except for the one thing you want to do. Notice where it says Print Titles. That's actually grayed out, and we can't make that change from here. So let me show you where you will go to do that. Just cancel this box. Why don't you hit Escape to go back to the worksheet? And I want you to go to the Page Layout tab. So on the Page Layout tab, you'll see the Page Setup group, and these are the same familiar options: margins, orientation, print area, those types of things. You can get to the Page Setup dialog box by clicking on that pop-out button in the lower right-hand corner, but you'll also see that button that says Print Titles, and that's what we want to do, isn't it? So we could just go ahead and click on Print Titles.
Oh, this is the same dialog box we had before, but it's not grayed out this time for the print titles.
So you'll notice that you can put rows to repeat at top, but you can also set columns to repeat at the left. So for example, we might also want column A to repeat every time so we know which products we're talking about when we get to later pages. So we're going to do both the rows and the columns.